In this video, I'd like to share with you how I built my quail cage and also show you the simple life of sustainable urban homestead and how to identify the sex between the quails, so please stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to Young's Garden. Today I would like to share with you how I built my quail cage, and of course I have to remove the old one to prepare for the new one, so I have to clean up and everything, and of course I have to fast forward so you guys don't have to be bored. Here is my 2 chicken coop, and of course this third one will be here, which is for the quail, and I have to remove this dragon fruit trellis just to make room for the new spot. And it looks like my chickens are really happy. Here is my quail birds. Some of them carry blue jeans, which is these 2, 3, and 4. They are the Celadon Coturnix, and the rest is Pharaoh, which is the regular Coturnix. Here is the regular Coturnix, which is the male. As you can see, the chest doesn't have polka dots. So this is the Pharaoh regular quail, and the female Pharaoh, you can see polka dots on its chest. This is the girl. There's 2 ways of finding out the male, and here is the blue jean bird, which is the Celadon Coturnix. This is, and I believe this is the tuxedo or the scarlet Coturnix. They come in different variety. So I have a few blue quails that carry the blue jeans. Here is my husband trying to pull out this concrete trellis. It is super heavy, and we are trying to pull out this heavy pots just to make room for the new quail cage. And of course we have to end up sacrificing some dragon fruit. We kind of damaged some of the cuttings, which was in the pot for probably a year, but we were in a hurry, so some of them were damaged, which is okay. I tried to save some of them, but luckily I had a friend that gave us new dragon fruit cuttings, which was also white variety. So now my husband is setting up the quail cage, and I have to fast forward this because it does take a while to set it up. And I'm so lucky that my husband can do this job for me, because I could not, you cannot rely on me to do this ever, because I definitely cannot read instructions. It really stresses me out. You have to be really patient, but he's doing all the work, so I am very, very happy about that. I'm just kind of standing around and helping him a little bit here and there, and he is setting up the top just to protect the birds from rain and wind. And this is very easy, very simple. I got the last 2 on Amazon. You can find this also on Amazon and through my description. They actually raised the price up. This cage is actually smaller, and it is more expensive than the last 2 because everything seems like is going up. So here is my old cage. Because this cage was built for like dogs, and I can use it for chickens but not for quails, so I have to use few layers of wire mesh to cover up this big area so the cat does not put its claw in it or other animals that can actually pull out the quails. So I am really careful and really trying to protect my birds. I've learned my lesson. I had bad experience, so I had to protect my quails, and I thought of using this metal mesh, but it's actually a big opening as well. I used this last row for my rising bed, but I don't think I'll be using that. I will use my old chicken wire and just recycling it. So I am gonna pull it out from my old quail cage, and I'm gonna be using that and just kind of adding it to my new quail cage. Trust me, if you give a lot of love and protection, it will come a long way. You will thank yourself in the long run. And once I'm done, I actually added more fresh sand. Quail, they love sand. They use it to bathe themselves, clean themselves, so they can take out all the nasty stuff on them, like little bugs and lice, if you will, because they are always outside. So that's how they take out all this nasty stuff on them. Just shake it out with the sand. I use probably 4 or 5 part of different chicken wires and the original cage, so it would have a lot of protection. And check this out, they already laying some eggs in this cage. They've been in here for a few hours. They are probably wondering what's going on. Quail, they like to be in cage, but with a lot of room so they can run away from the male. And of course they like open field, open cage, so they can run away from their predator or their attacker, if you will. And here is a male pharaoh, first male bird that I am releasing in the cage, open range. Hopefully they like their open concept, and they do like a lot of protection. So they don't like to be in the sun all the time. They like a lot of shade. And here is a female which got harassed. She kind of got bold, which means she her eggs are fertilized. So any eggs that came from her is fertilized, because the male would jump on the female, which is this female, and they would pull its back of its head, and that's how they attach to them, and that's how they made. So that is my last bird coming into this quail cage. And quails, they do not like their feet wet, so they like to be in an area that's dry. And that's pretty much it. If you have any more facts, comment below. That's all I know.
Alright, let's go inside. Whoa, don't step on the eggs. Look, pick up the eggs.
Okay. Another one.
There's another one.
Find it.
Be careful. Gotta put it in there.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
There's some more over there.
Okay.
Over there, look, over there.
Take it, Mom. Take it.
No, you can take it.
Mom, take it. Calm down. Calm down.
Calm down, birds. Here, Herb. Grab your basket, Storm. Grab your basket. Grab the eggs. Right there. There's a blue egg right there.
Hey! Come back!
Calm down. Tell them calm down. Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. Okay, go grab your eggs. Hurry. Go grab it. Put it in your basket. Nice and slow. There's another one behind you. Right behind you. Good job. Let me see your basket. Is it more than mommy? Is it more than mommy? Oh my gosh. Be careful. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. Birds.
Thank you, birds.
Pink birds.
Yeah, birds. Okay, let's go outside.
Okay.
Let's go to the chicken.
Hey.
Oh, no more eggs. Come on, let's go.
Look at the other one.
Yeah, they're scared.
The white one. The
Okay.
white one.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they're going. Uh-oh.
Why are you? Calm down.
Calm down. Calm down, birds. Calm
Hey,
down,
the
birds.
white one.
Yeah. Yeah, come on.
Calm down. Come on.
Calm down.
Calm down, birds.
Calm down, birds.
Whatever that birds.
Yeah, we're going to get your eggs. Okay, let's go get your eggs.
Okay.
Okay? I'm putting my
Calm down.
basket there.
Rolling, 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 rolling.
Oh, you got it. Can you pull it out? Hurry before it comes. Okay, put it in your basket. Oh, you gotta be careful. Let me see how many eggs you got. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna get the white eggs inside. Look, Star, inside.
He knows how to.
Yeah, no, she has it inside.
What?
Yeah. Oh, no, don't do that. You gotta hold it straight, okay? Okay, let's go inside, okay?
He has it.
Okay, let me go inside first.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Star. Come on, get in, get in. Get in, get in. Okay, come on, come on. Wait, let me lock it.
He's lying you.
Yeah. Touch your head. Calm down.
What?
Yeah.
He has it.
Yeah, don't touch it. No, don't touch that.
You want to
Okay, there's eggs in there. Oh, there's eggs. Right there. Here, put this down. Okay, right here. Where it's safe. I'm gonna grab you, okay? You gonna grab the eggs? Okay, go grab the eggs. Go. Right there. Good job. Okay, hold it right there. Now put it in.
Okay. What?
Oh no, you cracked it. Did you crack it?
No.
Don't throw it, Storm. Don't throw it. Okay, one more. Oh, all the way in there. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it in there. Grab it. Get down, get down. Hold your eggs. Hold your eggs. Okay, put it in. Don't throw it. Don't throw it. Nice and easy. Did it break?
No.
Did it break? Okay, good job. How many eggs do you have? Wow, look at all that. You have so much eggs. Okay, hold it tight. Hold it tight. Two hands. Two hands.
One can.
Two hands.
What's down here?
Okay, let's get out of here. It's mad. Because we took their eggs. Hi. Hi. Okay, you need to go the other way. Uh-oh. Come on, Storm, let's go. Come on, get out, hurry, run. Run, this way. You got your eggs?
Okay.
Good job. Let me see your eggs. Wow, let me see yours, Storm. Let me see it. Huh? Let me see it. Wow, let's compare.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Oh.
Let me see your basket. Let me see your basket. Wow, look at that. Ooh, I got some too.
I want to eat it. I
Huh?
want to eat it.
You gonna eat it? You gotta clean it first, okay?
Good.
All right.
It's dirty.
It's dirty, yeah.
What's this? Oh,